You gotta tell me if you love me or not, love me or not, love me or not. Been wishing for you, am I lucky or not, lucky or not, lucky or not?
Hi beauties.
Hey guys, so I'm just coming in really quick because this is the next day. I recorded this video yesterday and now I'm coming back and watching it and seeing that I barely even talked in the video that I actually initially recorded. So I'm coming back in with a voiceover just to talk and show you guys and tell you guys, not show you guys, but tell you guys what I'm doing in the video, because I'm not speaking, I'm not explaining anything, even though this is not a tutorial, it's just a review, but I wanted to come in and do a voiceover to show you guys what I'm doing. So here I showed you guys, I put my wig on with the lace still on it, so I'm showing you guys that here. This is what I'm doing here. The lace is still on it. I'm showing you guys the lace. Yes. Feeling myself. I'm about to turn around, show you guys the back, show you guys that there's no track showing. It might be a little bit shine, but stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys in the video how I got rid of that. But this is just the lace. Next, we're going to speed it up a little bit. Now I'm coming back and showing you guys I cut the lace off. I cut the lace off with a pair of scissors, not a knife. That's just a disclaimer. Don't cut it off with a knife. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply my Got To Be around the edge of my face and head. Also, another big disclaimer, guys. I personally, Janay Nikki, the owner and the creator of this channel, I use probably not the correct amount of Got To Be or / glue, lace glue that you're supposed to use. The correct amount, I use probably way too much. So this is not me telling you guys or showing you guys that this is the amount that you're supposed to use and that is the correct professional way to lay a lace front. It is not. So-called. I watched a video of another YouTuber and she showed the correct amount. I put way too much. That's just me. This is personally how I lay my shit. You dig? But okay, just letting y'all know that. So this is me now drying my glue that I put around the edge of my face. And now I am placing my wig on my head. I'm laying it. So this is how I lay after I apply my glue to my edges, y'all, and then I let it dry a little bit. So I fan it to let it dry. You can use a blow dryer or whatever, and then you finally lay the wig down. You take a pair of the scissors that you use to cut your lace and just run it between the hairs, you know what I'm saying, run it between the scalp area to like let the lace lay down, so you don't have to use your fingers to press down on the wig, because that sometimes messes up the wig and the lace and the hair on the hairline of the wig. So just use your scissors. This is me going in and just applying a little bit more glue to my edges. I mean, not my edges, to like the hair, you know, the lace that's by the ear or whatever. I'm just applying a little bit more glue so that that part will lay down. What am I doing here? Okay, so I just finished putting glue on the other side, and I'm just letting that dry up a little bit. Yeah, I'm just letting the glue dry on the other side, making sure that I got my lace laying down the way that I want it to, and I got it looking the way that I want it to look. And then now here what I'm doing, I'm just taking the clip down from my hair, and I'm about to kind of fix up the curls make sure the curls are neat. Actually, I'm lying. Here is where I wanted to definitely show you guys. Now, to get shine and like that synthetic shine look out of the wig, you take baby powder. I know a lot of people, I've never seen anything called dry shampoo. I have no idea what that is. I've never seen that in my life before, but I guess it's something that will take shine out of a synthetic wig. I just use baby powder. That's what you see me doing here. I'm just taking a large amount. Here you actually see me pouring it onto the hair. I promise that might be a little crazy, but it doesn't do anything to it. It actually helps better than me just dumping a whole bunch of baby powder in my hand. Yep, so I finished doing that. Hey guys, so I am completely in love with this wig. I feel like a mermaid, and so now that I've come back and I've styled it, I showed you guys how I applied it, how I lay my lace, how I cut my lace, and how it looked when I did not cut the lace yet. And this is what it's looking like now after I've styled it and I'm ready to go to my event. Since I'm ready to step out, like I am ready to just hit the scene and take your nigga, like sis. Now, of course, y'all know I always get into the specs and the details of the wigs that I am wearing. So this wig is by the company called Lucyhairwig, and if you're not familiar with this company, this is the same company that I purchased from when I did my lavender wig review. So I am definitely not surprised of the good quality of this wig and how bomb it actually looks. Not surprised whatsoever, because Lucyhairwigs have very good quality wigs, and I think everyone should purchase from them. To be honest, I really think Lucyhairwigs carries the best synthetic lace front wigs on Amazon. Like the best. They're better than Chrisma, and I will be honest and say they're better than Chrisma, because this wig that I have right here, this gray wig that I have right here, is from Chrisma, and it just didn't really last me that long. Even though it still looks pretty cute, it just doesn't, the quality of the wig isn't like it was when I first took it out the pack. But with Lucyhairwigs, their wigs last forever, to be honest. Wig still kind of has a shine to it, but I just basically dumped a whole like quarter ounce I dumped a whole quarter ounce of powder on this wig, and bitch, I just feel like I'm popping. I really do. So of course, when you get your wig, it's gonna come in this cute little packaging right here that says Lucyhairwigs, and it comes with a care card, and they're gonna put some hair caps in the pack for you, some weaving caps in the pack for you, and of course, cap construction. It comes with 3 combs, 2 adjustable straps, yada yada yada. Y'all know what a wig look like when it comes. I mean, if you're familiar with wigs and watching this video. If you're not familiar with wigs and you're watching this video for the first time and you're wanting to know a little bit more about wigs, I'm sorry I didn't get to show you the cap construction, but there's tons and tons and tons of videos on YouTube that will show you what the wig looks like when you first get it and what you need to do. Guys, I just feel really, really popping with this wig on. And really quick, while I got you guys, my outfit is from the website Lovelywholesale. I'm going to put the link down in the description box for you guys. But I'm pretty sure you guys are very familiar with the company. They sell cheap bodycon stuff and a lot of like club outfits and a lot of stuff that you would see and don't know where to get it. They sell it for really cheap. And so this is one of the outfits that I did get from Lovelywholesale. It took about 2 weeks to arrive. Yeah, it took a really long time to ship to me and get to me. But I will be honest with you guys, it was worth it. I really, really love this outfit. The skirt is like a plastic material. It doesn't really resemble the material that was in the picture, but it looks the same. It looks exactly what you know, it's doing exactly what it's supposed to do. The only thing is, if you guys see right now when I just turned around, it's really like it doesn't fit around my waist, so I had to pin it in the back. I didn't really pin it that good, so it looks kind of ghetto and ratchet, but from the front it's pulling how I want it to. So yeah, and I also I got a second outfit from Lovelywholesale, but you guys will see that outfit in my next video that I have coming soon. But let me know down in the description box how you guys like this outfit, because like I'm just loving this skirt. It's a zipper right here, it zips open, and I really can't tell y'all what this is on the shirt. I guess like a mouth inside of lips. I don't know what this is, but I just like the skirt. That's why I got the outfit, and it came with a shirt. So yes, but I'm going to leave all the info in the description box for you guys, because you know I do that. You know I always got you. Call me Buffy, because that's what I slay like. But not for real, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I love all my viewers. I love all my subscribers. You guys make it happen for me. You know, without you guys, I would not be making these videos. But to be honest, that's a lie. Without you guys, I would still be making these videos. I just wouldn't be talking to nobody. So you guys play a very important role in this whole hobby thing that I like to do, because yeah. So thank you. Tastes like yo. Tastes like all this ice on me. Tastes like snow. Get kimonos and let's fly to Tokyo. Pretty, 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 please, baby, won't you cop this for me? Cause of you, I got too much on my mind right now. I can't. Not for real though. Peace out, guys.